She's getting the babies. That doesn't work. Come on, use your light. Give her your light. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
Leave it, leave it.
If I can. Oh my gosh.
Leave it. Come on,
She had babies on Saturday.
Right.
Oh my gosh. And so does soccer game. I don't know if we can go. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna faint. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I can't believe this. Oh, Mom, look at the babies.
Oh my gosh!
I just saw the head come on.
Look!
Stink.
Two of them!
There may be three, I'm
You
not
just
sure.
fed her. And then she just put them out. Yeah, does she have any more coming out?
And she cleans them. I just saw her squat and I'm like, oh my gosh, there comes a head out.
Look at the precious. Look at how precious. Look on top, Madison. I think she has another one coming.
Yeah, I wonder if we should leave
Look
her
on
be.
top. Look on top. Further. There you go.
Clean little guys.
Oh my gosh. We gotta get Jamie. No, we have to get Jill. We have to get Jill.
No, we are.
Oh, we're going to soccer.
Let her.
Look at her babies. Oh gosh, are they adorable? Oh, sweeties.
Look on the carpet because mine makes squeaky noises.
Oh gosh.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I gotta put that on my calendar. I gotta.
Turn.
I'll estimate where she made it at.
Turn. Leave it.
Where's the head?
Turn.
I'll get it myself. Ah, I got the head.
That's so cute, isn't it? I said Saturday.
You didn't. Can I just call Jamie real quick? And tell him
It's too early. It's too early. She's not even awake yet.
I have to call her, please.
You can call her when we get home. Sit down and eat.
Please.
Listen.
Please. I have to tell her.
Hi, Lucy.
Sit down and eat. You'll call her when we get home. The babies will be cleaned up then. Maybe she can come look at it. Go sit down and eat. Bring your plate over.
Oh gosh, is it cute?
Another one's coming out, I think. Are you serious? No, I don't think so. Actually, I don't know. I think the baby's going around to her butt. One's coming out. No, I'm not sure.
No, there's another one over here. See him?
He's like, Mama.
Here, Madison.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. She cleaned herself. See their little hearts beating? I can see their hearts beating. Did you see it?
Oh gosh. Oh, you know what? There's a strip right here. She has another one here. She has another one coming.
And shut it, Ma. I'm gonna shut it.
She has another one coming, Jeff.
Does she?
Maybe more.
Yeah, she doesn't look like she's really thinned out as much, does she?
No, I just felt her. She has another one right here. Maybe you can film the next one. Oh gosh, are they so cute?
Oh my gosh. All I saw was a head come out, and I'm like, oh my gosh,
You're
she can
going
breathe.
to get one of the little towels. I think they're folded in on the weight bench or in that basket.
Once you see her squat, she's gonna give birth.
She's gonna have another one. Here she goes. Here she goes, Madison. Here comes another one. Here comes another one.
I think another one's coming. This other little baby's not getting cleaned.
That was the first one out.
Oh, Juno's gonna meet his babies. Oh.
Here comes. There you go.
Oh no, that was her other one.
That's right.
Look at their big feet. Oh,
Look at their heart.
I know.
Do they change colors?
No. The cool baby. There it comes. Here it comes.
Here, come here. Come here, Madison.
I'm going this
There
way.
it comes. There it is, Madison.
Oh my gosh, it came out. Plop a cheek.
Is it living?
Oh, listen.
Is it alive?
It's still in the sack.
Is she gonna get it? There, it moved. It moved. Madison, come over here and you can go through here. Move, Bjorn.
It's still in the sack.
That's the third one.
Oh, there's the baby.
What's that thing it's inside?
It's its sack. That's what she was living in.
You're right.
Lucy, go get your baby. Lulu, get your baby. She's dying. Get her.
No, she's not. She knows where her babies are.
There's a baby underneath her. She's like,
There she goes. There she goes.
oh my gosh. Oh.
Get it off of her nose. There.
Oh, look at him. Lucy, go get her.
She's probably scared with you guys right here.
Just a minute.
Let her go take care of it.